Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most artificial intelligence projects do not fail because the model is stupid. They fail because the enterprise underneath it is weak. Bad data, broken systems, no ownership, no controls, no economics. The collapse begins before the model ever runs. Your AI strategy may already be failing before the model ever runs. Too many executives start with the wrong question. Which model should we buy? Which vendor is hottest? Which platform has the best demo? That is amateur hour. The better question is, can our enterprise actually support artificial intelligence at scale? Artificial intelligence does not scale on hype. It scales on foundation, data that can be trusted, systems that can integrate, security that can monitor, identity controls that can restrict action, processes that can be automated, finance that can measure value, governance that can stop stupidity before it becomes expensive. For the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, artificial intelligence is not just a technology decision, it is an operating model test. If the company cannot align data, process, systems, people, and accountability, artificial intelligence will not transform the enterprise. It will expose the enterprise. For the Chief Financial Officer, CFO, this is a capital allocation problem. Cloud costs, inference costs, integration costs, security controls, vendor duplication, training, compliance. The CFO should be ruthless. No baseline, no proof, no return on investment, ROI, no scale. For the Chief Information Officer, CIO, and Chief Technology Officer, CTO, agentic artificial intelligence raises the bar. A chatbot answers, an agent acts. That means identity, permissions, logging, monitoring, integrations, human approvals, and audit trails must work before autonomy is allowed anywhere near critical operations. For vice presidents, artificial intelligence dies in the middle of the enterprise, not in the keynote, not in the demo, in the workflow. The team does not trust the data. The process is inconsistent. The users resist. The pilot looked impressive. Production exposed the truth. Boards should stop accepting artificial intelligence updates that count pilots, tools, and vendor names. That is not governance. The board needs to know which initiatives have owners, evidence, controls, cost models, and a path to measurable business value. In the APOC.AI red zone, expose the foundation risk: bad data, legacy systems, cloud cost exposure, weak identity controls, fragmented workflows, vendor concentration, no ownership, no governance. This is where leadership stops pretending and starts diagnosing. In the APOC.AI yellow zone, prove readiness, not with vendor theater, with controlled proof of concept, baselines, real workflows, integration testing, human oversight, security review, cost modeling. If the proof cannot survive real operating conditions, it does not deserve enterprise scale. In the IPOC.AI green zone, scale only what is ready, funded, owned, measured, controlled, auditable, monitored. Green does not mean the project is finished. Green means the foundation is strong enough to carry the weight. The winners from 2026 to 2030 will not be the companies buying the most artificial intelligence. They will be the companies building the strongest foundation beneath it. The model is not the strategy. The foundation is. For more executive-level artificial intelligence governance insights, visit AIPOC powered on YouTube and www.aipoc.ai.